Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Uh, Welcome to the market manual where smart money makes smart moves. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, and also for the best broker, number one broker with the best spreads, fast withdrawals, fast deposits, ECN account offering zero spreads. Please join Exynos. Use the link below to join Exynos. We're back, guys. Let's analyze the markets for the week. Let's start with GBP, JPY. We're starting with the monthly time frame, a multi-time frame analysis, starting from the weekly. As you can see, we're in the weekly time frame. We go to our line chart and mark our key zones where price is likely to reverse, being this one, and also another one being this one over here. As you can see, our next key zone is this one. This one. Oh, yes. So then we go back to our candlestick chart pattern. And then we mark our supplies from this is what we call the danger zone. These are zones where we don't place trades, we wait for the market to form reversal patterns or break out. These zones I'm marking right now. And delete our horizontal or support or resistance line. As you can see from here that the market is looking like it wants to take some bearish momentum. When you go to the daily, you can see in the daily, you can see you should also look for the key levels in the daily. You can see in the daily that we have this level over here, danger zone, and a danger zone over here. Danger zone. As you can see, that price looks like it wants to move in a bearish momentum, but we can't place a trade yet because it hasn't yet formed a reversal pattern. When we go to the H4 time frame, we can see that price hasn't yet still formed a reversal pattern. We will wait for it to form a reversal pattern first before looking for any entries. If price can form a bearish candle here, that's our number one reversal pattern. And then we'll start looking for sell opportunities. As you can see on our danger zone, that our danger zones are basically the origin of the impulse move. The origin of this impulse move is this zone. So whenever price reaches those zones, we wait for it to either break out or reject the zone. We don't trade near this zone. So we are going to wait for price to form a reversal pattern and then look for setups, then take a position. Go to the H1 time frame. We can see that price is very bearish, but we're still going to wait for it to reversal setups and patterns. So let's look at another pair. Let's look at USD, Euro USD. Euro USD. You can see the price is bearish. This is the zone. The zone over here. There's another danger zone here. Danger zone here. Yes, that's a good area. And then we move. As you can see here, that price broke out of this area, out of this danger zone. So now looks like it wants to come back and retest this area. Let's continue. Let's go to the daily. When we move to the daily and look at on the left side, just to make sure, that no danger zone. We are not leaving. You can see that was a danger zone. Yeah. Yeah. And there's something over here. As you can see, price reversed at a danger zone. When you look, there was a bearish engulf here and also here. Meaning we can look for sales. We can confidently look for sales on this setup, on this pair, and we can see that price is bearish. It's making lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. After seeing, here's another reversal pattern, an engulf, a very strong one, giving us a stronger confirmation of a bearish trend. As you can see, the price, there is a setup, there is a setup here. QML, there's a QML here. There's a QML, a high, higher high, lower low, low, lower low. So we're gonna wait for price to come back. On this area. There's also a solid base with the bearish engulf. Our entry. Our entry, we usually take our entries on bearish bullish engulf, and we check if the bearish or bullish engulf is strong. At least the base is also strong, as you can see. It didn't take so much time for me. And also our bearish engulf is strong because, as you can see, price formed strong solid candles, bearish candles, giving us confirmation that this is a strong engulf pattern where we can place our entries. This means this full candles, narrow candles, Marubozu candles that price had formed, it is an indication that there was liquidity. And these candles, this full Marubozu candles that price had formed, it is an indication that there's a lot of liquidity in this area. There's a lot of orders that the institutional traders left around this area. So that's why we usually use bearish or bullish engulf patterns. So as you can see, this is our QML pattern, and our entry is on that area. Entry is here. Our stop loss. Yeah, let's make it 19 pips. 19 pips stop loss. Our TP is usually on the previous or the recent low or high, or we can place it on the nearest on the nearest danger zone. And here's our next danger zone around this area. So meaning our TP, we can have two TPs, one here, another one here. So 1 is to 3, and now 1 is to 6, depending on your risk appetite and how patient you are. So we're going to wait for price to come to this area. However, before we place a trade, we have to check the confirmation. If there is confirmation. As confirmation, we can see as confirmation, we can see that price formed a bearish engulf pattern on our set. As we can see, guys, price formed a bearish engulf pattern here, and this bearish engulf pattern, this is type 3 of our bearish engulf pattern. So this is our confirmation. Price will usually form a bearish engulf pattern in the higher time frame, as we also that our entries is in the is it the 30 minutes or 15 minutes? Yeah, it's in the 30 minutes time frame. So our confirmation is on the H4, and this is a very powerful confirmation tool we use, and it has an accuracy rate of 80 to 90%. So that's why we use it. So now we're going to wait for price to form a PA, fake out, or compression towards our entry, and then so now we're going to wait. We're going to place our orders, our limit orders, and wait for price to form a PA, which is fake out. And yes, we're going to wait for price. Then when it triggers our entries, hold until these two TP points, TP1, TP2, which is a good risk to reward. 1 is to 3 and 1 is to 6. That's it for the week. So that's it from us, guys. Yeah, till next time, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, share the video too, and also for the best broker, the #1 best broker, fast withdrawals, fast deposits, ECN account with 0 spreads, please click on the link below and register or sign up for Exodus, the #1 broker. Guys, till next time, peace.